How to add a background music to any video in Canva. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a background music or let's say any music into any video in your Canva. So in order to start, the first thing that we are going to do is add a video into our canvas right here. So currently I have opened a video project in my Canva and now we are going to add a sample video into this canvas. So in order to add a sample video, I'm going to click onto this elements tab and from here I'm going to choose any video. So for example, let's say this video right here. So let me click onto this video and here you can see that the video has been successfully transferred into my canvas right here. Now in order to add a background music into this video, what I can do is that I can click onto this audio tab as well and from here I can browse some music from the Canva library. Or if you want to add your own music, you can click onto this uploads button and then upload your own music and then you can use the same steps which I'm going to show you. So for example, here is the music that you want to use. So for example, let's say we will be using this nature music. So if you want to listen to the music or me listen to its preview, you can click onto this arrow right here and it will start playing. So if you want to add this, simply click onto this music and here you can see that the track has been successfully added into the music. So currently I'm keeping it to the default settings. So once you see this kind of blue line just below the video, you can simply click onto anywhere else and it will disappear and only this blue line will appear. Now if you will play the music, you can see that along with this video, the music is also playing in the background. So that's how easily you can add a music into your Canva video. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you. Or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.